The date is the 31st of March and it's 11:27. I say that because things keep changing really quickly, and by the time you're watching this, what I'm saying may be irrelevant. Now, I know we're going through some difficult times right now, and learning to drive is probably not on your agenda. As a result, the views of the channel have basically halved, and that led me to think, is there much point making videos if nobody wants to watch them? So I've been doing DIY, fixing my cars, which is why there happens to be a handbrake on my dining room table, which my other half is fanatical about when she gets home from work. She is a key worker, so she is still going to work, and she loves coming home, finding bits of car laying around and the bathroom not really usable. But there is a good thing, I can actually stay hydrated and drink tea, which is something I don't often get to do. Being a driving instructor, I'm in the car all day, and well, my car didn't come with a toilet, and there's not really many options available for us to stay hydrated. Probably doing my health some good. Any idea how I can stay hydrated whilst I give lessons? Of course, the most important thing is I hope you all get through this and come out the other end in good health. I think my friend has it at the moment, his other half as well, and he says it's the worst he's ever felt, and he's had bad symptoms. Well, they're classed as mild symptoms, but he's been feeling pretty damn bad for about 6 days, and he says it's starting to get better now. But a problem is, about 700,000 people were learning to drive up until about a week and a half ago, and pretty much everyone has just stopped. You may be one of those people, and the problem with that is you're now going to be losing what you've learned. You're going to be going backwards as you're not able to keep up the practice and progress forward. So when things go back to normal, you're going to be starting from further back, if that makes sense. Which of course is bad, because driving lessons are expensive and the economy is going to hurt after this, so people are probably going to have less money as well. And that got me thinking, if you can keep your knowledge, that's going to help you a lot. So maybe I should keep making these videos, and I think I'm going to try. I'm going to try and do as much as I can do. I can't drive anywhere. I have a car park I can drive around in. Can't really go much faster than about 6 or 7 miles an hour, but there's plenty of stuff I can talk about to help you maintain your knowledge. So when you get back in that driver's seat, you're ready to go, and you're not starting from as far back. You probably will go back a bit, but hopefully you can reduce that. And if you've got a lot of time on your hands because you're stuck at home like I am, you may as well make good use of it. So keep a lookout for my future videos, and click the bell icon if you want to get notified of any videos I upload. I also have plenty of previous videos that you can look through to try and maintain your knowledge. Until the next one, cheerio.